Hi friends! So today I am going to show you how I'm going to make a standing tree. Well, two standing trees. So I saw a picture of this online. There was no instructions. It was in a foreign language on an online magazine and I thought it was super cute. So we're trying to figure out how to make it and I'm going to show you what I've been doing so far. So I got a 1 by 2 by 8 feet long board and I cut them down 22, 22, and 14, and 15, 15, and 8. So it's not exactly proportionate. You definitely don't want these to be the same as that or you're just gonna end up with triangles. So they do need to be a little bit shorter. That's these cuts, they're just straight cuts. Then you need to cut down at an angle so you can have it touching here. And then it's a different angle for it to be here. This makes it flat to the ground, this makes it so it's flush, and then it's flush up here. So, my miter saw does not do a sharp enough angle for this, so then you have to make a jig. The other thing you can do is you can use this, which is a Rafter Square. So, I'm going to show you how to do that. These right here are 15-degree angles, and then this one right here I believe was like a 70-degree angle. So, I'll show you how to use this little cute thing. I saw like a 40-second video and it saved my life. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, and okay, and you're going to line it up at the edge. And then you're gonna pivot. Right there it says pivot. And you want a 15-degree angle. There it is, right there, 15. And there's your line, which I already marked, but there it is right there, 15-degree angle. Now, that's the best way to do it is to pivot, but you could just line it up. You know, you want 15, there's the edge, make sure it lines. Voila. There's your 15-degree angle. So perfect. And then, like I said, you're gonna want 15 degrees here and 15 here. So once this is cut, it'll flush in there and this will be flush to the ground like these. Now, again, I'm going for a slightly rustic look, which is good because my saw kind of ate this piece, but that's okay. It's all right. Perfect. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna finish cutting this and sand it down. These I sanded already, they're nice and smooth. And then I'll stain it. Then I'll come back here and I'll show you how to put it together and decorate the inside.